صباح النور والسرور. اليوم انا ولابتيت جوليا باش نعيشوكم معنا تجربه جديده، هي عرض الدلافين دولفين شو. خليكم معايا باش تعيشوا تجربه مزيانه برشا.
One more, one love, open sesame. DJ, what's the magic word? Come on, dolphins, it's showtime! Our show is about family. Everyone, look on your right hand side. We will introduce the babies first. Luna, 3 years old. Gabriel, 4 years old. Beautiful trainer, Lady Olga. The cutest baby, Lucy, 2 years old. With brand trainer, Anatoly Tatila. Tioma, 13 years old. Brand trainer, Sergey Dobrudra. The leader of all dolphins, Nemo, 15 years old, with Lady Tanya. Good morning. But sit tight. We clap your hands with the music. All right. We say to everybody, welcome to Dubai Dolphinarium. Sit back and enjoy the presentation with these beautiful dolphins, the second intelligent mammals. Yalla! Let's bring it out. It's a magic always power. Hula ring. The Diwali show. Nice picture. Bring the joy. Coming out. Together, all love. Lucy. We got Luna. We got the handsome boy, Gabriel. Thank you, dolphins. Thank you, trainers. And now, the start. Hey, wait a minute, let me take some. The water might splash to you. The water is around 80. Ready, set, fire! Did you ever knew a dolphin can swim 40 to 42 kilometers per hour? Come on, man, review, catch the ball. Yes, Lulu and Gabby, come on! Alright. Coming out and we're going to go all the way, section by section. Hit it! Go like Messi. This is Sue, number 10. We going for the big ball, Messi. Red ball, Ronaldo.
Dolphin are dancing. Wait. Look how they're dancing.
With another honor, he's winning. Salsa dancing. Okay, let's do it.
Michael
Ready for
Jackson.
it? Ready for the love?
Yes.
Dolphin Smooth! This is called beaching. When they want to catch small fishes, they go to the small time.
Break dyan. Huwag lang break.
You know what? One, bring it all the way. Lucy.
قديش
You see the tail of the dolphin is flat. It's not vertical like a fish. Because they are not fish. We call them mammals. Thank you. Dolphins have around 85 to 100 teeth inside the mouth. The mouth is called the rostrum or the beak. It's why we call them bottlenose. Look at the mouth. It's the shape of a bottle. Thank you. What? Wait. Anatoly, when Lucy gave me this painting, Luna is shouting, why? Can we ask Luna if she likes it? Luna, do you like the painting? Is it good? Okay. You can. Aha! One of you can buy the dolphin painting after the show. It's going to be outside at the art gallery. Also, not only the painting. We're going to play together. One love, one family. We're going to do this together. Come on, dancing. Spinning all day long. Let's keep it going, DJ. All yours. Passion, love, passion, all love. We are in the world. Amazing. Ooh. Rolling, rolling, rolling. That's right. Stronger. Whoa. Power. Come on. Together. Right here, right now. You see, friends, seals are adorable. They are lived together in a family, in a group. The group is called a colony. And right now, some activity together with the rings. Oh yes. The lifespan of this seal is around 25 to 30 years of age. Keep it going, keep it going. Hey, you can't keep it there much more longer. Awesome, but we got one more to go. One more, that's right. Ready, set, now. What was there? She got it. But this is my goal period. We never give up. Until I'm ready, set, now. Look, she's playing and dancing. We gotta keep going with the magical seal. That's right. Seals are carnivore, which means they love to eat small fish, squid, and small marine animals. More, balancing. Super. Wait a minute, I forgot to tell Sam, today's Sunday. Fantastic! Hey, he's so happy. Wait, he said to me and Paul, if you want to come here and sing a song to a lady, he's in love with her. MashaAllah, everyone is so beautiful. Let me ask you, who is she? If you are the one, come join me. We have a surprise for you. Fred, who is she? I called her here to meet you. What? Tell Anatoly she's wearing a blue shirt. First row. Blue shirt. Aha! Come. Everybody clap your hands for her. Stand around. Hi, what's your name? Come, if you got one this time over here, I'm right behind you. Oh. Here we got thanks for the flower. Thank you, don't drop it. Now you are so amazing, mashallah. Stand over there. He will come again. Cheek, look at the camera. Smile. Wow. Hold the dolphin. Nemo. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are meeting Nemo. He is 50. I know you like it. Let's do it. Accompanying Nemo is his brother who's going to join him. Let's do it. Bringing them on. Hello? There's the back seat, back easel. Right. Here, when they play the way they are, super incredible. Yes. The three-vision crash in the building. We have the educational tool. We have the sweet majestic dolphin. We have meet and greet with the dolphin. Oh, that's right. It's a beautiful feeling. It's a beautiful bonding to dance to them. Every action here has a special thing. Come on, bring us to the game. Come on, our dolphins. It's time to dive in the water. One more time. Ready for the bump. Ready for the higher jump. Come on, both of those dolphins. 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Super! It is stunning. I'm a proud resident here. I bring a proud moment, a proud action. I proudly say, Habibi, welcome to Dubai! Wow! Incredible! Did you win this song? This is love!
Bravo.
This is honor! This is family! Thank you, dolphins! Wow! And now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to give our greetings to everyone here. Maybe all the time, inshallah. dolphins are coming to say thank you to everyone.
Thank you, Dolphin.